everyone, so today I'm going to be redoing my lamps. I really like these lamps, but I really like the Pottery Barn lamps, and the Pottery Barn lamps are $399 each. So these ones look a lot like them, and I'm going to redo them, and I want them to look just like if I had made them myself, but I want them to look just like Pottery Barn. So I'm going to do that, and as I'm going, I'm using flat paint. You can use any flat paint you like. I'm using flat paint because I want them to look matte. I don't want them shining. And I'm going to be using wall texture powder that you use to texture coat your walls, and that's going to give it that roughness, that like that terracotta feel. And that's what I'm looking for. Like if I just sit here and spun these and make them myself. So as I go, I will show you my progress. But what I'm doing is I made it really thick. The mixture right here is really thick. Oh, I'm sorry. It's really thick, and this is what you want. This is the texture that you want. You want it thick, and then you're gonna take it and you're gonna just brush it on the lamp. And what you do is you kind of go in a way where it looks like you've spun these, but you haven't. And I'm gonna finish both of these up, and then I'll show you my progress because I have to do 2 coats. So I'll be back to show you the progress. Okay, so this is the progress. I already have this one painted. Big difference. I know that this one looks like a pretty color, but really I think it has like a rose tint to it, and I just didn't like it. So let's see how they come out after I'm done. So I'm still working on this one, and I'm just going to, be with you on the video so I can show you what I'm doing. I just have the paint really thick. It has that texture in it, and this brush will give it that texture as well, so that it looks really nice. That way you can see what I'm doing. It's not that hard. I love doing this. I love making something into new. Putting that white, there's a spot, and you kind of just do that, and then just keep brushing it and brushing it. Pretty. It's like brushing on plaster. It's kind of like that. It gives it that texture. I think it's really nice. I love doing DIYs. This kind of stuff is my favorite. I have redid so many things. And so I'm going to use a texture brush. And I'm just going to give it a little texture. Just go around it. Make it look like I spun it on a pottery wheel. Give it that look. Nice look. Kind of wet it a little bit just to give it that little, because the paint is thick. Oh my goodness, it's coming out really nice. So now we're going to let them dry, and I'll show you the finished product. I might add some color to it. I'm going to try it and see if I like it, but I think I might just stick with the white for right now. So I'll show you when they dry it and put the lampshades on them and make them look beautiful. Okay guys, so what do you think? What do you think? White or design? This is the white. That's the design. This is the white. And that's the design. So I'll be back when I finish both of them and have them on my tables with the lampshade. Okay guys, so here they are. They're done. I left one with a design and one without to see which one grows on me. Tell me what you think in the comments and please share. It would help me out a lot. Thank you. Bye.